am not a generally social person. So I wanted to try something today. I wanted to make a friend without really saying anything. I wanted to be antisocial while being social. Here's what I did on day 1 to make a friend. First things first, get rid of whatever stupid name you have. And I know you have some stupid name because you do. You just gotta change it to something like Jimmy. I'm gonna be using Jimmy. Jimmy cool. Jimmy work. Jimmy cool. Next things after the first things, hang out here, cause that's where all the cool kids sit. Alright, after that, I gotta make myself look cool.
Wow, he's so cool. That's so cool.
Next, don't be a squeaker, cause squeakers are annoying. Okay, they can't hear me, but you guys can hear me. Now we wait.
I don't know if you see me. A man has fallen into the Lego City River. To rescue him. Please.
Then finally.
Tell me that and we'll go for you. Good job, soldier.
Haha, physical contact. Never felt that before. Because I'm lonely. Yeah, I left him.
Hi, Jimmy.
Yes!
You can't tag yourself, bro.
I think he likes me.
Bro, what's up? You going right?
He totally likes me. But then the unthinkable happened.
Oh, that's so crazy.
Oh, here come another monkey in the window.
Look at you, better than him.
I'm sorry, I'm just trying to help.
Somebody's mom decided to join. And she took him from me. She took him from me. All hope is lost.